To create a newsletter issue, I'm going to go to Content, Add Content, and click on Newsletter Issue. I'm going to give this issue a title such as Spring 2021. I can choose my breadcrumb background color, but the required area is this newsletter image. So since it's the same 1600 by 900 image format that we're pretty used to, I'm just going to use a stock image instead of going over how to crop that again. So I'll just choose this one right here and hit Select Images. Now I can add an issue description, and this functions identically to the newsletter description on a newsletter landing page, but I'm going to leave that blank for right now. And normally this would be where I save my page. However, to make this newsletter show up under the newsletter landing page with the rest of my newsletter issues, I'm going to go over to the sidebar, and under Newsletter Outline, I'm going to select my newsletter, which is probably mostly going to be just called newsletter, although for certain departments like dance, they may have another name such as Inform. And then my parent item, I'm going to select as newsletter again. So you see, I also have the other issues available underneath here. However, we don't want to select this as a child of one of those. We just want it as the main newsletter. One thing we want to avoid with newsletter issue pages and newsletter articles is not using the menu settings. All of my menu placement will be done under newsletter outline instead of menu settings. So I want to avoid using menu settings for either the newsletter issue or newsletter articles. I'm going to hit save. And it's going to bring us to our newsletter issue page, so Spring 2021. If I go to my actual newsletter page and scroll down, you can see I have this listed at the very top of my issues. Now that we've completed this topic, choose the next video with the link on the right-hand side of the screen, or view the entire playlist with the link on the left.